Hello all and hello Banggood.com. This video is specially for your Banggood, but this time will be released to everybody to see it. It's all about what to expect when you buy something from Banggood or other online sellers like eBay, AliExpress or so. This is Headlight, claim it to be very nice, very good and so on. But what I wanna say about this is Banggood. Do you really packing devices like this in soft package which they need to travel like around the globe almost fully, so highly chance that it will be crushed somewhere like this package here. It's very cheap and so on. Why so? It's $7 Headlight. So why don't use some foam to fill it in to protect this all from damage or so? This is look at this. This was purchased at the same time like this, and this one came protected. Even this package was crushed somehow. You see how it's open. But look at this. How much this cost? How much this cost? It's cheap, but it protecting device very well. Look at, very well protected, and it came to me intact in fully working condition. And so this is cheap device. Headlight $7 I already said, but look at what your way of packing caused. This is broken here, so now I have no way to attach this head strap. How there is no like here. You see here how it can, and even this can be. Look at this. What the hell is this? It's softened here. Look at this. What is this? Why it's not full plastic? Why it's softened here? To easier broke it, to render this device fully not usable. But who cares about all of that? That is even not important in this case. This device, it should work. It does not work. It does not work at all. So let's power it on. This is how I monitor. You see, this is your cable. Okay, I will use this model to show you that it's working. Look at it now. Okay, I plugged it, and look at, this is almost fully charged mobile phone, but still it taking 0.33 amps of current. Okay, let's plug it into another slot. A little less because this is not a high power port, it's 5 volt, but it working like you can see. It working. Here is 5 volt. I will not plug it in this high speed charging port. So let's plug this device. Of course I did all of this yesterday when I received this, but it does not change anything, like it's not plugged. Look at this. Nothing happened. What is this? This is from you. When you press that button, you see blue lights here. How much it's charged. and you see charging process when you plug it. I know you would say like leave it for some time. This was connected over 2 hours yesterday and it did not start charging, so this device is not usable. It's broken. Plastic for head strap is broken, not usable. Okay, I could fix that on easy way, no big deal, but not charging, it cannot be powered on. So this device is not usable at all. And be aware, people, when you're buying such cheap devices, they say inside are 2 LiPo batteries like this. Okay, they can fit inside. I'm quite sure, but $7. What you think? Can you buy this fully working LiPo cells for $7? In my country, it's not possible. I don't know outside. In other countries, can you buy it? But in my country, you can't. In my country, for such 2 cells, 2000 ampere hours capacity, you will pay like 5 to 6 euros per piece. So Banggood, there is nothing else left than to ask for a full refund, and please take care about items, how you ship them, how you pack them, and how you protect them for your use. It doesn't matter if it is device of $5, of $2, or $20, or $50. And check devices if they're working. Don't send me broken devices which does not work at all. This makes me not buy from Banggood anymore. It's really, really disappointing. Thank you all for watching this.